That was the magnetic evidence of the soul for the imaginary line about which beaten thing rotated to their atmosphere. It magnetic soul traveling as an evident fact of its rotative radio wave said the electromagnetic rotation as covered the planet to the motivations of the souls. The TAZISM indeed it theory related to the planet Earth by the magnetical graph. If the map related to the Earth and must it related to the another planets except the Venus, because I get to show another graph about the planet Venus and the other planet. Firstly, I get to show the graph of the 8 planet rotations here. 8 planets except the Venus. Sorry, except the Venus. It second one down. Each graph. It graph is with Earth with 8 planets, except the Venus. In case of the Venus rotation, it graph is the Venus rotation arranged by the magnetical field on the opposition theory. It were the reasonability of the left to right rotation and right to the left rotation related to the 8 planet and the Venus rotation. It is the planet rotation. Each one of the planets rotating on their atmosphere around the sun. It is the graph, rotative graph of the cosmos work. Then graph, an imaginary map of solar system. To firstly I show an imaginary map the solar system to the each planets and atmospheric wave around by the anti-magnetic order for their rotation. They are rotating at their own and create by their own atmospheric field by the magnetic aviation theory from the 2 magnetic poles. Then it change related to the Venus writing from the east to the west. Earth and another planets rotating west to the east. In case the magnetic order arranged as imaginary talk, it seems that Earth plus 8 planets from left to right arrangement of the magnetic 2 magnetic poles. In case of the sophistication of the between sophistication of the 2 magnetic field, it iron basis of the planets rotating from the left to the right as the quantity to the iron running on the magnetic wave between 2 magnetic aviatory theory, not attractive theory of the magnet. It is the aviatory theory of the magnet. In case of the 2 aviation things at there, planets run at there. As well as in the arrangement of the up and down position of the 2 magnetic field, the Venus rotating from the left to the right as the horizontal force. Okay, horizontal force rotating in case of the vertical arrangement of the 2 magnet Venus. Okay, it has to the story of the Venus rotation. It graph indeed the anti-magnetic order of the planets as the Mercury, or Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and the Pluto for its rotation and behavior. We can cite at the map it is the magnetic range of the horizon and it opposite of the circle on our imagination. We talking about the theology of our life, the reality, scientific theology. It is the scientific theology. So we are more related to the scientist. We get draw an imaginary planet. We get think an imaginary planet and their work. That is our topic now. Okay.